Welcome, my channel subscribers and future subscribers. In this video, I will teach you how to install an Arduino board and how to sample it. In the case that I'm going to be working is an Arduino Uno R3 that I bought online. So here we have the first thing you have to do is you have to go to your website browser, and I'm using Chrome, and then go to this link arduino.cc and then English software, and then you have to download this one here for whatever system you need. I'm using a Windows system, so I'll use this one, but you can use it for Linux or macOS. Then you download it, and then you're going to install it. Once you do that, at the end you're going to install the driver, the USB. I'm using a USB connector from the Arduino board, so you will connect the Arduino board, and then it will install all the drivers. Just give permission to the computer, and you will, once you install that, you will have a shortcut, hopefully, on your desktop or whatever you put it. Then you open your Arduino IDE software that we just downloaded. The first thing you have to do is you have to go here on Tools, and you click on, in my case, I have an Arduino Uno R3, so I just put on COM3. And then you go to board, and then do Arduino ABR board, and then click on Uno. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, then the next thing you have to do is you have to go to serial monitor. If it connects, that means that you have the right COM3 or COM5. On the bottom, it says Arduino Uno on COM3. So that means I believe it connected. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to this Arduino IDE. This one, the case is 2.36. It comes with samples, so you can go to examples. You can use, well, the first one you can do a blink on as a sample, but I use, I want to use a string, because that way you can see it on the screen that it actually we're uploading code to the board, to the Arduino board. Let's do a character analysis. So it opens up another window, Arduino IDE window, and then we can run it. Actually, what you can do is you can save it as a different name, so that way you don't mess around with the original one. And that's what I did here. You can do, I'm gonna delete it and do it again, so that way you will do it together. So character analysis, and underscore, you can put anything, but you can put underscore test. Then click save. And then on the bottom it says send any byte, and I'll tell you everything I can about it. That means that we actually uploaded it to the Arduino board. So for example, what this thing is doing is analyzing. If you look at the code, it's analyzing what type of character it is. For example, is alphanumeric, is alpha, is ASCII, is white space, is control, is a digit, is graph, is lowercase, uppercase, hexadecimal digit. So let's see, for example, let's put the number 11. Let's see what it gives us. As we know, 11 is a digit. It's also alphanumeric. So you send me 1. So I send 2 characters, actually. I send character 1 and 1. Okay, so and then the whole thing is 10. So he says the number digit, the the number 1 is alphanumeric. It's ASCII. ASCII means that it belongs to the ASCII system, and it's a numeric digit. It's a printable character that's not white space. That is correct, because 1 is not a white space. It's printable, yes. And it's a valid hexadecimal digit, yes, because hexadecimal digits go from 0 to 9, A through F, and A, and capital A through F. In this case, it goes from 0 to 9, so it is 1 belongs to that group. And the second character is a 1 because we're doing 11, so that's the same thing. But then the whole thing give me and then you send me the ASCII value 10. It's ASCII, it's a control character, it's a space character. So together, I send 10, okay. So let's put another one. For example, let's do capital letter. Let's put capital letter A. See what it gives. Okay, you send me capital letter A is an ASCII value 65. That's the code for ASCII, the ASCII code 65. So alphanumeric, alphabetic, ASCII, printable character. Because not white space is printable, is uppercase. That is correct. And it belongs to the hexadecimal digit because it is on the range from capital A to capital F. Let's do another one. For example, I, capital letter I. Let's see why it has 2 characters. Okay. The first character is H. Alphanumeric. That means that it's a letter and belongs to it's a letter, yes. Numeric means that it's either a letter or a number or a digit. This case is a letter. It's alphabetic. Alphabetic means letter. Then it's ASCII, printable character, not white space, printable uppercase. That is correct. Let's look at letter I. So the ASCII value for letter I is 73. It's alphanumeric, alphabetic, ASCII, not white space, printable, and uppercase. That is correct. As you can tell, this install work. Let's say I want to try something different. So let's say I want to try I'm learning this software now, so let's see something like let's type something like let's do something like let's see if this works. Okay, serial, that print, and then we'll say welcome to this character analysis test. Okay, so we're gonna compile it. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're gonna end up. Okay, compile before. Okay, we need to put a semicolon. Okay, so we compile it and see if it compiles. So it's done compiling. Okay, so now we upload it and let's see what happens. Upload it. Done uploading. See, as you can see now, it tells us at the very end, it says, give me another byte, send any byte and I'll tell you everything I can about it. So that's written here, as you can see on line 24. My line is line 25, it says, welcome to this character analysis, the one that I just put right now. So if you look at it, it is here, welcome to this character analysis. So it actually works. And we can do, for example, number 7 or number 9, for example. Let's see what happens. Welcome to this character analysis test. You send me digit 9, which is ASCII value 57. It's alphanumeric, it's ASCII, it's a numeric digit. Printable character, not white space, printable, and it's a valid hexadecimal digit. It belongs to the 0 to 9 range. All right. Thank you for learning, and I hope you subscribe, and I hope you like the video. Thank you very much.